John, shut up. John, stop. We're trying to do an interview, John. All right. They always talk. Here, morning of the race, and getting an IV. Trying to get hydrated before the race. It's gonna be a long day out there, so this usually works for us. And the rest of the team's around eating breakfast burritos from the burrow, and then we're gonna have our team meeting.
Today my mom and dad are racing the Baja 500 and I wish them the best and I love them.
Baja 500, let's do this.
There goes Kristen.
How's it going out there, Kristen?
We've had better days, but we're still moving, so we're doing better than most.
Awesome.
Out there today making repairs to this beast, but we managed to get it all done. I'm not sure if you heard earlier when I was up there, but I'll go ahead and repeat it. But Wayne and Danny actually ended up braking about 5 miles in front of us, and heard that we needed a certain part and ended up running it back to us. Like physically, Danny ran it back to us. So that was amazing. I can't thank him enough. We ended up getting it all put back together, got back on the road, and unfortunately Wayne and Danny were unable to finish after all that was said and done. So we're going to meet them at the hotel and get a few hours of sleep this early morning, get back up tomorrow, and just celebrate me crossing, or us crossing the finish line, and just being down here in beautiful Baja.
Hi, how's it going on, buddy? We just made it. It was a beautiful day. Really hard race. These Baja 500s was a challenge. We gotta miss a couple problems over there. We fix it and we get it. ¿Qué tal? Por fin llegamos a la meta después de un gran día, gran día. Fue mucho esfuerzo. Salimos temprano, son las 4 de la mañana y hemos llegado a la meta después de algunos problemas que tuvimos con unas cosas, unas partes que se descompusieron. Las arreglamos. Wayne, Daniel nos ayudaron mucho, ellos no pudieron terminar, pero Kristen y yo logramos llegar hasta el final.
What he said.